Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the phone type and gathering parts: handset, base, cord, power adapter, and any splitter. Plug the handset into the base so you can test audio immediately. Next, identify the correct wall jack and remove any dust or obstruction. Make sure the jack's cover snaps off cleanly. Once done, if you have a VoIP adapter, position it near your router and keep cords untangled so you can reach ports without stress. You now connect the RJ11 cord. Push one end into the phone base and the other into the wall jack or the VoIP adapter's phone port. If using VoIP, make sure an Ethernet cable links the adapter to your router's LAN port. This handles signaling and audio packets. Plug in the power supply and observe the lights. Steady indicators typically mean network and line readiness. Make sure cables are not under strain, and arrange the handset so you finish by making a test call to confirm dial tone, send and receive audio, and verify caller ID and ringer behavior. If the call succeeds, adjust volume, ringer, and date/time settings so the phone suits daily use. These small changes improve clarity and convenience. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting step. Swap the handset cord or RJ11 cable with a known good one and retry. Cables fail more often than equipment, and that simple swap quickly isolates the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.